the new generation Corvette, featuring the most complete redesign in its history. Corvette, a new classic, available now from Chevrolet. Be discriminating. Choose advanced design. Expect technical innovation. Demand performance. Accept only the best. Then seat yourself in a machine so new, so innovative, so remarkably well designed that it's destined to become another classic. The new Corvette. From its V-shaped nose to its razor-sharp spoiler, Corvette's advanced aerodynamics are apparent from every angle. Up front, an integrated air dam channels and directs wind pressure for remarkable steering response. The low sloping hood merges with the steeply raked windshield to efficiently cut through the air. Molded fastback glass and the integral rear spoiler enhance airflow over the vehicle to keep Corvette glued to the road. Corvette's streamlined shape pays off with a .340 coefficient of drag, a 23% improvement over the 1982 Corvette. Corvette's advanced design incorporates many technical features. Motor-driven halogen headlamps provide both low and high beams. Standard halogen fog lamps improve road visibility at night. Its streamlined shape is protected by full perimeter side molding and accented by functional engine exhausts. Corvette's road illumination is enhanced by front cornering lamps. From behind, the familiar Corvette nameplate and quad circular tail lamps maintain recognition of styling heritage stretching over 30 years. Inside Corvette's sophisticated cockpit, a dazzling array of instruments and operating controls combine to make the machine an extension of the driver. Behind the leather-wrapped steering wheel, bright liquid crystal speedometer and tachometer displays arc over numeric readouts of road and engine speed in either English or metric scales. An innovative driver information system includes an LED digital display located in the cluster, controlled by a switch panel located above the radio. Drivers may select readouts for range, trip odometer, instant and average MPG, oil pressure, oil temperature, coolant temperature, and voltage. Corvette performance is enhanced by high-back bucket seats, available in woven cloth or optional leather trim. Each molds to body contours with cushion and backrest lateral supports and back angle adjustments. Accenting Corvette's interior is thick cut pile carpeting. Generous amounts of sound insulation, such as thick carpet backing and one-piece foam headliner, help keep the interior quiet. Corvette has always offered a long list of standard sport features. Now there are more than ever, including air conditioning with separate fan and defrost controls, side window defrost outlets. Corvette's standard Delco AM/FM stereo sound system features Delco's electronically tuned receiver, a power antenna, and 4 matched full-range speakers. Also standard, washer and wiper controls with intermittent feature offer simple fingertip operation. And twin lockable compartments provide convenient stowage space with the added benefit of security. More secure stowage space is provided by a lockable glove box. Inside, a door-mounted lamp illuminates a cassette case, coin holder, and remote hatch release. The center console also houses the shift lever, cigarette lighter, and ashtray, as well as controls for the power windows and electronically operated sport mirrors. The convenience of a telescopic tilt steering wheel and column is also standard. But Corvette's most exhilarating standard feature is the open-air sensation provided by the one-piece lift-off roof panel. It's easy to remove and store because now all Corvettes feature the versatility of hatchback design with a frameless one-piece glass hatch. It provides for easy access to a spacious carpeted cargo area, including a specific roof panel stowage space. Corvette, providing the outstanding level of performance you'd expect in a world-class sports car from Chevrolet.